Google Gemini, an AI tool that can make your life easier. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a tool for experts. It's becoming a part of everyday life. Google's new AI tool, Gemini, is designed to help regular people with tasks, creativity, and problem-solving. Even if you've never used AI before, Google Gemini can simplify your daily routine and offer valuable assistance. In this essay, we will explore how Gemini can be useful for common people in a simple, practical way. Simplifying daily tasks. Every day, we face small tasks that can take up a lot of time, such as writing emails, creating documents, or summarizing long articles. Google Gemini can help with this. For example, if you're a student who needs to write an essay or a busy professional preparing a report, Gemini can create a draft for you in just a few seconds. All you need to do is type in a few instructions, and the AI will generate high-quality text based on your needs. This saves you time and effort, letting you focus on more important things. Boosting creativity. Whether you're managing a small business, running a blog, or just looking to create something new, Gemini can be a powerful assistant. For example, if you run a small business and need to write product descriptions or social media posts, but don't have the time, Gemini can do it for you. Just provide a few details, and it will generate content in a matter of minutes. This feature allows people who aren't professional writers or designers to still produce creative, high-quality work. Understanding data made easy. We all deal with data, whether it's our personal budget, a school project, or business-related figures. For many, analyzing data can be confusing or time-consuming. Google Gemini makes this easy. It can process numbers, create charts, and summarize important information for you. If you're tracking household expenses, for instance, Gemini can help you create a budget report. If you're a teacher, it can analyze student performance data, giving you insights in a way that's easy to understand. With Gemini, data isn't just for experts, it's for everyone, solving everyday problems. Gemini is also great for everyday problem solving. Let's say you're planning a family trip and need help organizing everything. You can ask Gemini to suggest destinations, find hotels, and even calculate your trip budget. It's like having a personal assistant that can quickly give you the information and options you need, all based on your preferences. Whether you're making small or big decisions, Gemini can help you find the best solution. Easy for everyone to use. One of the best things about Google Gemini is that you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. You don't have to understand how AI works or deal with complicated settings. All you need to do is ask it questions in plain, simple language, and it will do the rest. For example, an elderly person looking for help with online shopping or a student needing homework assistance can easily use Gemini. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible to all age groups and skill levels, helping with learning and education. Gemini can also be a powerful learning tool. If you're a student, you can ask Gemini to summarize a chapter, explain difficult concepts, or help you create study notes. For teachers, Gemini can generate lesson plans, quizzes, and even presentations. It helps both students and educators save time and focus more on learning rather than creating materials from scratch. Supporting small businesses. For small business owners, Gemini is a time-saving tool that can handle administrative tasks. From automating emails to generating invoices and planning marketing campaigns, Gemini makes running a business much easier. This is especially helpful for entrepreneurs who don't have a big budget or staff to handle these tasks. With the help of Gemini, they can focus on growing their business while the AI takes care of the details. Conclusion: Google Gemini is an AI tool that can make everyday tasks simpler, quicker, and more efficient for everyone. Whether you need help with writing, organizing data, solving problems, or even managing a small business, Gemini is here to assist. It's easy to use, accessible to all, and offers valuable solutions for people who aren't familiar with AI. As AI tools like Gemini become more common, they will continue to help everyday people live smarter, more productive lives. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more such videos.